let me first of all thank you for your time, because I know you are extremely busy. But I'm here first of all to listen to you. Now I'm here to emphasize our support to their efforts, as well as to the endless efforts of the medical professionals. They are the unsung heroes in the fight against the coronavirus. I would like to add my voice to the health, religious, civilian and security authorities. They are calling on the people to abide by the instructions and advice already issued by international health authorities, as well as national recommendations issued by Crisis Committee 55 and local health authorities. All of us must abide by these instructions. Now, communities play a critical role in spreading a virus, but also in stopping it. Proper hygiene, in particular washing hands on a regular basis, social distancing, limiting contacts. All this can stop the virus from spreading rapidly. We should not panic, but to avoid panic, we cannot afford to be complacent. In recent days, we noted that some people are unnecessarily breaking the curfew, that some people are not fully abiding by the instructions. Now, important, because to those I would like to say, you are endangering yourselves, your families, your loved ones. You are endangering the community at large. Public health is the #1 priority, and all of us are in this together. All nations, all people. And let me be clear, quarantine, self-isolation, and/or social distancing is nothing to be ashamed of. It is happening all over the world.